Hello and a warm welcome to the course. As your course instructor, I thought I'd take the opportunity to introduce myself to you very quickly before we get started. My name is Libby Seary and I'm a psychotherapist and a therapeutic life coach. I run a very successful practice in Harley Street, London, which is recognised the world over as being a centre of medical excellence. Over the years, I've had a number of my works published and have been privileged to appear on TV and radio many, many times. But my biggest passion by far is teaching. And a few years ago, I founded the Renaissance Life Therapies Training Academy. My online training academy offers courses which are all wrote by myself and reflect my areas of expertise, which includes self-development and therapeutic subjects. And thanks to the Udemy platform, I have students from all over the world. In fact, I now have students spanning 102 countries, something I'm very proud of. So, once again, a very warm welcome to this course, which explores Rational Emotive Behavioural Therapy, or REBT for short. And it's what I like to refer to as being a modern therapy system, as it helps prevent emotional disturbances before they happen, as well as cure them. As we journey through the course together, you'll get the opportunity to see just how effective REBT is and how versatile it is. Best of all, you'll learn how to apply the principles of REBT easily to your own life. So whatever your reasons for wanting to embark on this course, REBT will equip you to live a happier, healthier life and make significant changes to the way you feel about yourself, the world and other people. Be sure to look out for the downloadable resources that accompany many of the lectures. And don't forget, as with all of my courses, I'm here to help you and I'm available 7 days a week. So let's get started. In the next lecture, we'll be looking at what REBT is and following that with a self-assessment about happiness.